Okay, we'll just do one quick small one. I don't know what this means. What does a 100-shot barrage mean? Here we go, guys. You ready? You ready? Oh, God. Oh, geez. Oh, no, I've made a terrible mistake. Oh, God. Good morning! So we are heading home today, but beforehand, it is about 7 o'clock in the morning. We are gonna go for a swimmers. Eduardo is carrying around underpants for some reason. Anna's upstairs with Alessia. Let's just go charts, top 25. Okay, so a few hours later we had our swim and then we've got out and we dried off and Alessia's still asleep. Alessia's always asleep. Anna's upstairs getting everything ready and organized. Emilia is having some sort of a meltdown because she's wearing skinny jeans. Anyway, guys, I think we need to go on a rescue mission. Tell the boys and girls at home what happened.
We missed something. We dropped my pants in the sand. They're still there.
Den. Den, 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 not that way, den, 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 wait. Let's see if we can spot the underpants from here. Den 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 den. Still can't see them. Den 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 den. Watch out for the little water puddles because we're all wearing socks now. A minute ago we came up here soaked to the bones, but that was a good refreshing swim. Guys, we got to get a pool in our house. Huh? What do you think? I don't know. And a bunk bed? If we lived in Orlando, remember that house in Orlando we were at? Yeah. Ooh.
And it's really deep. See?
It is really deep. That's so you can see the underpants. Remember that house we got in Orlando, guys? We rented a house in Orlando and it had like a swimming pool. It was like this crazy cool villa. That's where we got the idea of doing this kind of stuff rather than... Because I think with the kids, like they can do hotels, but this is more fun for them. Hold on, hold on, hold on. We rescued it, guys. The case of the underpants has been solved. Eduardo? Where are your underpants? Eduardo? The case of the underpants has been solved. Yeah, I just thought it would be way more fun for us to rent this like ridiculous house, which I got through Airbnb. This is an Airbnb, which is really cool, guys. I recommend Airbnb if you guys have never used it before, because I was a bit kind of like, really? I didn't know what to expect. And then I saw, I was like, can you get a house with a pool? And I was like, you can get a house with a pool? And it was amazing. I think we're gonna do this more often. I think we're gonna like do all the Airbnbs with pools. Where are you going? Where are you going? Huh? And even though it's not that, this is not far away from where we live, but it was just nice to kind of like just have a break from the norm, you know? Have a break from work, a break from everybody. Just to like go and just hang out somewhere as a family away from everything. And that's exactly what we did. Exactly what we achieved in this insane house in Ascot. That's where we are, we're in Ascot. It's amazing here. Oh, look at this little dog. Hello, little fellow. Alright. This is also the kind of driver I need, lads, for my collection of cars. Look at this thing. I don't know how old it is. Well, it's probably 1930s or something like that. It's cool though. Alright. Let's get this fella going. Heat it up for the kiddos. so it's nice and warm. Whew. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Warm her up, Joe. Let's get the seats on the go. Seats on the go. Maximum heatage. Oh yeah. Come on, people.
Cool if they painted it.
They painted it? What did they paint though? We should get two in our house, two Maltese ones, guys.
And we could paint them and then it would look like real ones.
This one? This one.
Come on, missus. Come on, missus. Stop eating the blanket. Alright, we are out of here. Did you enjoy your surprise birthday weekend? Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I love you. On your 60th, it's going to be even better. And my 40th coming up.
Yeah.
Huh? Something to think about? Alright, let me close the door. Goodbye, housey. Housey of pool and fun. Boom. Alright, let's go. Look at some of the houses around here, guys. They're crazy, like. That's not a hotel, that's someone's house. Oh my goodness. 40,000 square feet. Oh boy. Oh boy. Imagine 40,000 square feet. Well, we'd have enough for the kids and the dogs. Alright guys, back to reality. Back to life.
Back to reality.
Huh?
Back to reality.
He's feeding someone.
No, he's feeding someone. Goodbye, Ascot. Oh my goodness.
Wow, look at that.
So 20 million cyclists go by and we vlogged the last guy.
At the roundabout, take the second exit.
Oh, there's more.
An audience.
So we have been home for a while and we are going to, I'm trying to be Jonathan by the way. They're all looking at me like what is going on?
How many?
2?
The forgotten Halloween candy.
Maltese.
Oh, Eduardo's having buttons.
It's also, remember the 5th of November. You gotta indulge yourself with the English culture.
And I got a birthday present.
Who ate this?
Nobody, it's just cracked. Look at my birthday present, guys.
It's so really stinky.
No.
Mommy got a stinky birthday present?
They're from my mummy.
Video.
New UGG slippers, because my other slippers were like ruined. Here we go, Alessia. You got your pudding. Oh, burning my hand. Burning my hand. Her pudding is mango, I think, or peach, I can't remember. They all look the same. They all look the same when I take them out of the freezer. Ready? Peach. Oh, peach and banana. Oh, guys. This is a classic.
Oh, this is good. This is all the little baby stuff.
Jonathan.
Is that good, Emilia? Alessia?
Peach and banana.
Ooh, I like that.
Do you want to try some?
You get.
Do you want to try some?
Daddy, you get mixed up because they're too
Oh, somebody likes it.
Which one shall we start off with, my little friend?
This one.
Which one?
No, the small one.
Do you want a big one to start off with to sort of start the day?
No, small ones, and then at last, when we're about to end it, and when there's a last one, let's use the big ones.
Right, okay, well let's start off with this one then. Summer fall. Well, that sounds nice, doesn't it? Summer fall. Out of the way, Eduardo. Let's try summer fall.
Hey, don't
Take one. Take one in your hand. Just be very careful. Take one. Remember the 5th of November. How could you forget? Okay, can you spell your name?
Oh, look at that.
Oh, Eduardo, stop. You're setting the grass on fire. Woohoo!
Wow, no.
Yeah, come beside me, guys. Wow, look at that one go, guys. That one's cool, isn't it? Hope it doesn't explode or something. Oh no. Oh boy. Oh boy. You made a terrible mistake. You made didn't know that was gonna happen. What was that like? That was fun though, wasn't it? Let's get another one. Okay, we'll just do one quick small one. I don't know what this means. What does 100-shot barrage mean? Here we go, guys. You ready? You ready? Oh God. Oh geez. Oh no, I've made a terrible mistake. Oh God. Okay. Okay, this one cannot be noisy. Are we standing back? Whoa! Run! Run! Oh, that's a nice one. That one was nice.
Yeah, like beautiful colours.
It's time to escalate the situation. Double trouble, guys. Ho ho ho! It's double trouble. Isn't this cool, guys? Ah, that was cool, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Do you like those ones? The fountain ones? Alright, you sit back there. I'll get more fountain ones, okay? Safety, lads. Safety first. Alright? And a glass of wine. Helps. Audience members, take a seat on your seat. Escalation part 2. Yes? Oh, I did it. Oh no. Oh my goodness. Wasn't that fun though? Whoa.
Cool.
Isn't that cool, guys? Oh, was that so cool?
But my eyes was blinking because there was air fire.
Was it so bright?
Yeah, that's why I blinked my eyes.
Oh, it was making your eyes blink because it was so bright? This thing, the eye carcass. No idea what it is. Oh, it's got a short fuse. Okay, we ready, guys? Whoa! Oh, wow! Oh! Oh! Is that good? Isn't that one cool? Wow! That was a good one, wasn't it? Last one tonight. We're doing a double of the Northern Lights. Okay, I hope this doesn't explode or the kids will never forgive me. Here he goes. I think this is just a fountain, guys. Ah, why didn't the other one go off? We have a dud. Ah, that one's nice, guys. Ooh. Whoa. Yeah. Emilia. So, did you enjoy fireworks night?
No.
No, do you not like fireworks?
They're too like fiery.
They're too fiery?
Fire comes out.
Okay, well I guess
Daddy!
we won't do fire. That's not me. That's not me. I guess we won't do fireworks anymore with Emilia, okay? Eduardo, do you like fireworks?
Yeah.
Yeah?
How much do you like them fireworks?
Well, we like them because we know it's safe and it's just like a little bit of fun. You know?
What?
Huh? Hey, don't go down there. Don't go down there. Don't go down there. Stay away there. Because you have to be careful. Fireworks are dangerous, guys. And you have to stay away from them.
Because fire actually comes out.
It does come out. Fire does come out, Emilia.
And then it could burn
Okay?
your skin.
But that was a lot of fun. Come over here, mister.
Well, why was you next to
Because I'm a grown-up. Okay, come here. Let's say goodbye to our friends. Thank you for watching today's video. There's some more. Tonight is guys, tonight is fireworks night. There's fireworks everywhere.
Stop talking. Look, fireworks.
I see them. Wait, should we do more fireworks?
No.
Okay, let's say goodbye to our friends. Thanks for watching today's
Put
video.
a comment down below if you don't like and press the poopy button in YouTube if you like fireworks over there.
Okay, bye guys. See you guys tomorrow.
Okay.
Don't eat the camera.
Oh, say goodbye.